What's good YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new Fortnite related video. Today I've ran a poll over on Twitter asking people what they want to see on YouTube, and every single person voted that they want to see graphics design tutorials for Fortnite and other various things within Photoshop. So today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to get cutouts of each skin and props within Fortnite. So for example, within a game, how do you get a certain pose from a skin and a transparent cutout of that to take over into Photoshop to make yourself a logo, banner or thumbnail or whatever it is you're making. So make sure you stay tuned throughout this video. Go down below, make sure you leave a thumbs up on it. It's completely free and it helps me out a hell of a lot, and of course motivates me to keep making these videos. I have loads of stuff planned, so make sure, if you don't like it, go down below, leave a dislike so I know whether or not you want more videos like this in the future. Also, if we can hit 10 likes on this video, I will release a pack for Photoshop where it has loads of cut out skins in it, loads of text templates and everything you possibly need to be able to make yourself thumbnails and various different things. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First up, we need to go into his locker and choose a skin, back bling and all that good stuff that we want for our cutout. So let's do that now. Okay, so now we've got our skin and stuff chosen, and we just want to go into creative, and we're going to create a new island and just go with something basic and flat, so we can just get straight into building our studio type thing. So I'm just going to go for the block on this one. So we're inside our flat, the block, and we're gonna get on with building our studio. Now I am voiceover in this as I did it earlier on this morning when making this video, and I didn't record audio, so basically just copy what I do on screen, and to keep it sweet and easy to understand, basically the reason why I didn't use the green pack that already has like the green walls etc, and I chose to go the harder route is because as you will see on the walls on the green one, it had the black sort of rectangles at the bottom and in the corner, and that would have made it harder to cut out in Photoshop. So I wanted to try keep it as simple as possible for you. So hopefully you're able to copy this step by step, and you just want to build yourself some sort of a box with a blank wall where you can start taking your pictures. So anyway, just copy what I do on screen and I'll see you back here in a second. Okay, so at this point in the video I made a little bit of a mistake with how I built it. I built it completely wrong, so I have of course cut that out, and that's why it's fast forwarded to where it is now. But basically all I've done is enlarge the square like I've just showed you, make it bigger, and then I've placed it in a big grid to make a bigger square on the floor, and now I'm going to show you how to copy it, select it all and make it bigger to use as a wall. Okay, so right now at this point in the video, you should be looking at your finished product. You should have a white blank wall with a white blank floor. Now, in this part of the video, it's going to look very different what I have compared to you, because this was the mistake I was on about a few minutes ago. I spent absolutely ages recording, doing it in studio mode and everything, to show you that you were supposed to change the color to green to make it a little bit easier for yourself. However, upon doing that, at the end of the video, when we take the pictures and we come back in replay mode, everything turned back to white anyway, so don't pay attention to that. You don't need to mess with the colors or anything like that. Just leave it as it is, white wall, white floor, and let's get into taking some pictures. So I've just showed the settings on the screen as well. It's worth noting that of course when you come back in replay mode, it will be whatever time it is set to in your settings. So for the brightest time of day, I think I set it to 1 PM, which of course is around lunchtime, so it's when the sun's going to be at its highest, and it's going to be nice and bright. So I just went through a few settings there, made sure that the brightness was turned up to 100, so you know your skin stands out and it's easier to cut out. Obviously if everything's dark, you're not going to be able to see the facial features and the outfits and whatnot. But also what we're going to do now is you just want to go through, get whatever object it is you want in, or weapon to showcase, and then we can take some proper pictures with that. So of course I'm not going to talk the whole time while we're taking pictures, and of course feel free to skip this part if you don't need to watch me taking pictures, but I've just done it to make sure you know what sort of picture you're looking for, what you're wanting to get and stuff like that. Okay, so when you have finished, you've got all your angles, you've got everything you wanted, and you're ready to take your pictures, you're going to back out to the lobby like I have done, and you're going to go over to the career tab and then go to replays and just click on the top one. From there, you're going to go back into the game, you're going to keep playing and pausing it, go on drone free mode, and then on your keyboard, whenever you've got it set, an angle or a picture you want for your thumbnail, logo, banner, just click print screen on the keyboard, and then we will be ready to go in Photoshop. Okay, so now that we have our images taken from Creative and we open up Photoshop, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is obviously press File, Create New. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to keep it at 1920 by 1080, but of course for you're going to set it to whatever you're making, whether it's a banner, logo, set it to that size. So you're just going to create that. Now that we're in an open window, we're going to go to File, Place. We're going to find those images that we've just taken. So mine's in OneDrive, Pictures, Screenshots, down at the bottom. Now go ahead and find one that you like. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. So for this one, I'm gonna go with this image here. It's simple, clean, and so once you've chosen the image that you would like, you're gonna go obviously in Photoshop and you're gonna open up that image. So I believe it's that one. Yeah, that one will do fine. I'm just gonna make it as big as my canvas so it's easier to work with. Now what you're going to go ahead and do is, it's the fourth one down, just select the magic wand tool, and because the background that we created is obviously a different colour to the skin, as soon as we tap anywhere outside the skin, it should make a nice selection around the character for us. So let's do that now, and there we have it. Made a nice selection all the way around the skin, very nice and clean. You won't have to do no work to cut it out. It's literally just as simple as tap, and then what you're going to go ahead and do is you might need to rasterize layer. So in your layers tab, come to the image that you've just imported, left click, right click, rasterize layer there, and then just hit delete on your keyboard. And just like that, we've now removed the background and we have our image there. Get rid of that. So there you go, now we have our transparent thing. I stretched it too big, so I'm just gonna select the lasso tool, just go around that and delete, and there we go. And just like that, you've got a nice cutout for a thumbnail, logo, banner, whatever it is you're wanting to do. Alright guys, so that is the end of this quick and simple tutorial. Even though for you it's 10 minutes, for me it's taken absolutely hours to make this video, from going into Fortnite, creative, rebuilding the whole studio side of things, and then obviously all the Photoshop work and editing. So if you can, please make sure you go down below and just leave a thumbs up on this video, leave some sort of comment. Let me know what you think to it, and if it has helped you out, let me know down below, because of course that is the point in today's video, is to try and help as many of you out as possible to be able to do banners, logos, whatever for your own YouTube channels and for your own social media accounts. So if this video can get to 10 likes, I will be releasing a graphics design pack with pre-cut out skins from Fortnite, as well as weapons and loads of various different items to try and help you out a little bit more. So make sure, like I say, smash that thumbs up button. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And make sure you, after this video, if it isn't out already, it will be coming out very soon. So make sure you come back for part 2 of this video, where I show you how to turn that cutout you've just taken yourself and turn it into a banner or a thumbnail, just like this one up on the screen. So thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.